Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a high plank with leg raises. To do these, we want our fingers spread wide, so our hands are a solid base that keep us balanced. Our shoulders, elbows, and wrists are all going to be stacked in one straight line. We're going to be pressing the ground away, so our upper back will be engaged. We are going to squeeze through our abs, and we are going to keep our quads flexed. Our feet are going to be slightly separated to also help us balance, so we're not shifting all over the place. So, like I said, pressing the earth away, keeping our upper back engaged, and then bring one leg up. So now that my right leg is coming up, my right glute is very activated. Left glute, right glute. We can do all on one side or alternate sides. We also want to make sure that our butt doesn't come up in the air. This isn't a downward dog. We're staying in a high plank the whole time.